Hey, we're rolling. Okay, Johnny Art with you. I'm going to do kind of a fake unboxing because I already opened this up. That's so wrong. From, look, lulu.com. It's a book. What could it be? Well, I already know what it is. Let's open it up. Look, hose. It's in a box. This is the fantastically wonderful book called Diamond Dust of Judith Braun's work, 2009 to 2020, Diamond Dust. And look at it. It's just a beautifully made book from, oh, hey, from Lulu, print on demand. It's no joke, though. It's beautiful paper. Everything is so nice. So yes, you're right. I ordered it print on demand. It's me. I just put my little mark. And you got a little preface. And then boom, we're right into the work. This is a whole series of crazy, wonderful kind of charcoal drawings done with the fingers. And they're just mad. I mean, they're completely magical. They're completely nuts. Anyway, it's a whole book. I have never seen these works in color, right? Actually, I've never seen these in real life. You know, one thing amongst many skills that Judith Braun is amazing at is her uncanny ability to create symmetry in drawings and works and everything. It's crazy. So, you know, she'll work with two hands, right? At the same time. And go back to an image of her at work, right? And just create these marks. And it's, you know, I mean, they're otherworldly, right? This fading effect, feeling of them, you know? I mean, these kind of like landscape things, but then it becomes like a mystic Indian immortal fire landscape thing, you know? I mean, it's crazy. So I recommend this book. I recommend you follow Judith wherever you can on Instagram. Now look at this. This is so perfectly fantastic. These boards that she did, snowboards, right? Okay, carry on. Diamond Dust, get it.